In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add KPIs or KPI templates in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to add KPIs and use them in ClickUp is quite simple. All you need to do is to go up here under search and then search for templates. So if you just enter template, you'll see this open template center. Click on it. And as you can see, we have here quite a number of templates. Under this search templates, go ahead and now key in or search KPI. Now this will go ahead and list KPI templates that are available in ClickUp. So for my case, I'll add the first one, so I'll just click on it, and then we have this option, use template. Choose it from here, give it a name, and then choose the location where you want this to be created. So I'll go ahead and add it under reports space, and once you're done, you can go ahead and import anything if you wish, and also you can customize this as you wish. Once you're done, now go ahead and click on use template, and your KPI template will be added successfully. As you can see, mine is here, has been added, and it is ready for use. So each and every time you want to access this, go ahead and just go under the space under which you saved, and you'll be able to see your template. So that's how you can add or create KPIs in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.